So I was told by my people or my staff that there were lots of negative comments in yesterday's video, and actually, you people have helped us. Like what happens is, the more you comment, the more you like. YouTube pushes it. YouTube doesn't know whether you are posting a negative comment or positive comment. What it does is it catches the algorithm and it just pushes you. Pushes your video or pushes the channel for more people to watch. So yesterday that is what happened. So the more you comment, the more algorithm catches it and more it pushes it for people to watch the video. So in that way, you have helped us. What happened is our RPM, revenue per mile, has increased by 20%. In turn, people who visited our website has increased. People who have bought our service has have increased. So you have helped me a lot. In that way, I'm really thankful to you. Who cares about your comment? Everything is deleted yesterday itself, right? So looking into the market, what might happen to the market, what is going to see in terms of market, I will tell you. Last 2 weeks, I am telling. Last week, I told it will not expire below 23,200. That is what happened. Market gap down below 23,200. It went up to till 23 above 23 200, and it expired above that. And before that I told 23,500 it will not expire. It actually expired above 23,500. It will not expire below 23,500 is what we told, and that is exactly what happened. Now when we come with a fact, or when we come with correct things, people don't come and talk. But when we are going wrong, they are ignorant. What I can do, they are coming and jumping as if I am relying on you. I am asking certificate from you. Who's asking certificate from you, right? So anyway, we don't have to talk much. We'll go forward. We'll see what might happen to the market. Now in terms of market, you know that the market is going on the higher side. This is the Nifty chart for you. Now, yesterday we gapped down around 1,200 points, and today we are gapped up at around 22,500, and we are holding about 22,500, and there is every possibility for the market to hold 22,500. Now, why it has to hold 22,500 is the main question. And I will tell you one more thing also. This might be a trap. See, nothing has changed in terms of US market. Now, only positive thing why the US futures are green is because Elon Musk went personally to Donald Trump and he told we should be considering withdrawing the tariff, or we should be considering reviewing our tariffs for imports into US. Now you know Elon Musk last maybe 1 week or 10 days, he has lost more than 100 billions of his net worth because of stock market has was free falling. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything was in free fall, and that is the only reason US future is in the green. Now if tomorrow, if that news is fake, let's say somebody comes out, or there is a news that comes out that whatever Donald Trump is not going to reverse his rates, or Donald Trump is very adamant he want to impose those rate, then it will turn red. That's why I told be careful. Markets will make two-way, three-way move. And yesterday video also I told markets. India VIX has jumped more than around how much? More than 20. In fact, as I talk to you, India VIX is about 20. It will make a two-way, three-way move, and that is what is happening. Now, had you done a straddle, had you done a strangle, yesterday, if you had done a strangle, you would have made good money because India VIX is down by around 10%. So, day before, from day, if you compare from yesterday to day before yesterday, it was up by around 63% yesterday. So today it is down by around 8% or 9%. So you would have made good money if you are in long term option. I'm not talking about weekly option. I'm not talking about monthly option, because there are lots of skew in weekly options and monthly options. Monthly options, in fact, there is no liquidity at all. So every Tom, Dick, and Harry in this market is into weekly options only. So in that way, you would have made money if you had done a long-term option. I'm saying December, or let's say 1 year down the line, or let's say 1.5 year, March 26, if you had done something like that, you would have made money. But now I don't think you would have made money. If you put a straddle or strangle, you will not make money. So whatever is happening is a trap. Every opportunity, you don't go long in this market. This is not a long market. We have entered bear market. In fact, there are rumors about, I'll tell you, there are rumors about recession. So people are talking so many things about a recession. Now, what we believe is, or what our perspective is, that there is every possibility that the market may come to around 22,000 level, which is a very very strong support, and that is where exactly market landed yesterday. In fact, it tried to break 22,000. It was holding 22,000. So we'll have to wait and see what is going to come out. So going forward, you will see a lot of volatility in the market. You will see a lot of uh, two-way, three-way moves in the market, and you will find it hard to make money in this market. Is what I would suggest, right? See, yesterday market going down by was swinging around maybe around 400, 500 points. Today gap up. Yesterday gap down. So how do you manage this kind of market? Now, as I talk to you, markets are coming down, and there is every possibility for the markets to come down. Whatever happening is because of rumors of Elon Musk talking to Donald Trump. Apart from that, there is no positive news at all. Now you have to remember this. Now, second thing is, there is very very important event in terms of US market. Now, this is the trading economics website, and if you can see, FOMC meeting is scheduled to be at around Wednesday 11:30 p.m. That is tomorrow 11:30 p.m. Now, if they come out and say that they are going to decrease the interest rate, that is going to be a positive news. Now, already they have decreased the interest rate from a high of around 5.5% to around 4.5%. Now, if they decrease the interest rate by, let's say, 25 basis point, or let's say hypothetically 50 basis point, it could be a positive news, and that is why market is going, or that is why US futures are all in the green. But this is all hypothetical. We really don't know. Now, what they are trying to do is, they are mimicking. They are trying they have done the damage, and they have already done the damage. Yesterday alone, if you see Indian market, 9 lakh worths of investor money is gone out of the market. Now already they have done the damage, and they are trying to repair the market. Now, in order to repair the market, they want somebody to come out and tell something, and that is why they are preparing Federal Reserve, or that is why they are telling Federal Reserve to go and do something in terms of market, so that it will go on the higher side, and that is exactly what is happening. That's why I am saying it is a trap. Maybe if a Federal Reserve comes out tomorrow and says there is any positive news, then we might go on the higher side, and that is also very very sustained. Now, I saw an article of Warren Buffett, and he says recession is will hit in the second half of 2025. Not only Warren Buffett, even Kamala Harris was talking about a recession in the second half of 2025. Now, it is very, very crucial point. It is very, very tough point. If you know that inflation is very, very high in India, yesterday also they have increased the excise duty around 2 rupees, this government. Now, internationally, crude oil prices are going on the downside. These people are increasing the fuel cost. That nobody will talk, that nobody will blame, right? So anyway, we'll see. This market is going to be a volatile market going forward. You will see a lot of two-way, three-way move in this market, and it is going to be very, very hard to trade in this market. And let us see how things work out. If you ask me, I would say not to trade this market. Be in the sideways. Just watch for some days. See what happens. Let things settle down, and we can come back. Market is not going to go anywhere. We can come back and trade. There are lots of opportunities. Don't think you have missed these opportunities. There are lots of opportunities waiting, and we can trade in this market. And I will tell you, lots of people, since I have been in this fraternity, lot of people have lost huge amount of money yesterday alone. So 7%, 10% of their capital. Example, let's say if somebody is trading with 1 crore of capital, 7% is how much? Around 7 lakh rupees gone in just 5 minutes, right? So you imagine how hard it would have been for this person, or this anyone who has done some strategy, or done some strangles, or done some straddles, or something else, right? So be very careful. Make sure to hedge your position. Time and again, I am saying this is a bear market. Don't think it will go on the higher side. Even if it goes on the higher side, that is a selling opportunity, is what I think, is what we have, or is what our outlook is, right? So I'll end this video here. I'll see you in at another video. Till then, take care. Bye.